In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date picker in Google Sheets. A date picker makes entering dates faster, more accurate, and consistent across your sheet. Instead of typing dates manually and risking errors, you'll get a small calendar you can click to select the exact date you want. Here's how to set that up from scratch. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to use, open it now. If you're starting fresh, create a new blank spreadsheet and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Next, decide where you want people to enter dates. Click the column you want to use. If you want the entire column to use a date picker, click the column letter at the top to highlight it. If you have a header in the first row, you can instead select the specific cells below the header to avoid applying the rule to the header itself. You can drag to select a range or use keyboard shortcuts to speed things up if you have a large sheet. With your cells selected, go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Data Validation. This opens a panel on the right where you'll add a rule for your selection. Click Add Rule to start. Make sure the selected range shown at the top matches the cells you highlighted. Under Criteria, open the drop-down and choose Is Valid Date. This tells Sheets to only accept properly formatted dates in those cells, and it also enables the calendar-style date picker for easy input. You can add a short help message if you want to guide collaborators, but that's optional. When you're happy with the settings, click Done to save the rule. That's it for the setup. Now try it out. Double-click any cell in your selected range, and a date picker will appear. You can navigate months and years in the calendar, then click the exact date you need. The cell will fill with a valid date automatically. If someone tries to type something that isn't a date, Sheets will flag it based on the validation you set. If you don't see the calendar, double-check that the rule is applied to the correct range and that the criteria is set to Is Valid Date. This simple setup helps keep your data clean and your workflow smooth.